Yes, YouTube. What's up? So, today it is Sunday. It is 9:15. I am back in London. Just getting my bag ready, and I'm gonna head up to Heathrow Airport and do a video on all the places where you can plane spot. So if anybody's coming to fucking Heathrow, sorry I've got this fucking thing on me because it is so fucking cold out there. Got gloves and a scarf. Gloves and a hat, because yesterday it was fucking freezing up there. I went up yesterday just in a jumper thinking I was still in bloody Thailand. So yeah, shit, I'm not leaving the house with the key. So the plan is to head to Heathrow and I'll show you the spot. I'm only like 5 stops away from Heathrow Airport, which is quite handy. I was going to drive, but it's better to get the train. Less hassle trying to park. But yeah, so I'm going to jump on the tube, head up to Heathrow, and I'll show you the spots where the plane spot. Look, I can actually see a plane coming in. I don't know if you can see it on this camera. So the planes are taking off from Myrtle Avenue today, so I'll go to that spot, and then there's a spot near the car park where people don't really know. I'll go to that and then I'll show people that as well, yeah? I'm dying since I came back from Thailand. But yeah, I've got to jump with the tube and then head up to Heathrow and I'll show you the spots. Right, here we go, London Underground. You can see that plane going in. Looks like a Delta airline. It's definitely a Boeing. Big old, probably a 787. Right, tube station. Let's go. So for me to get here, I think it is 5 stops. Check now in a second. Oh my god, is it cold? Got the old builder's gloves. Yeah, I'm a builder. Fucking hell, that's some breeze. Sorry about the language. Yeah, this spot is not too bad, but the only thing about it, there's nowhere around this airport where you can get a clear view of the runway. Like. Everywhere has these bloody fences. The only place really is over there at the courtyard, but you can only, when you get to the top of the balcony, you can only see one part because the other part doesn't open until 5 o'clock. I'd say when the summer comes in it'd be quite handy. Be a good spot, but this bloody weather, it's no good because it's dark at 5 o'clock. Alright, let me stick this gloves on. Found these in my van this morning. Don't know who owns them because I don't wear gloves in work. But yeah, you should just stand here. See the planes coming in there. Look. Let's check the phone. So looking at the phone there, I don't know whether you can see it. You got 1, 2, 3. I think there's 4 A380s coming in now. Look at them things rocking. in sideways. There's an electricity box up here I'm going to stand on top of, which I normally get myself into trouble for doing this, but fuck them. Until they tell me to get down, I'm going to stand on top of it. Man, it's so cold. So there's the electricity box. Yeah, probably turn this camera off before I go up on top of it. Yeah, plan is to get up on top of this. Got a full view of the runway and the tunnel fence is on the way. Thank you. Right, so walking up the Myrtle Avenue now. Oh, what's this coming in? Definitely an Airbus, I know by the way the lights are flashing. Looks like an A350. I've been playing spotting about 6 months, but I'm starting to recognise all the planes. It's struggling. Yeah, A350 is a 1000, A350 1000, Virgin Airlines. It looks like an Aer Lingus. Busy today.
One more time.
Busy here today, look. Every fucking on these dog is out. It might be a storm at 6 o'clock tonight, so everything will be dark. That kid is sitting in the box over there. He usually standing in that box. Man, there's this kid sitting there. He's standing there today. Look, people got ladders and all, look. Try to get the best view. Let's check on the phone, see what's coming in. Flight radar. books. Staring at books to get some good view. Right, well this is Myrtle Avenue. We'll get the camera out now and get some shots. Right, I'll jump off this now. Yeah, so this is Myrtle Avenue. I'll put up some videos of the camera. I don't know whether people are going to be watching it this long, because this is probably going to be a long ass video. I need to buy a better camera for this, what do you call it, vlogging, is it? This thing is no good. I'll turn it off after this shot. Got a jumbo jet coming in. You can see this here, you can. Look at this Airbus. I've been waiting nearly 20 minutes. It's been doing laps. So it is coming after this one. That is me done. Man, what a day. 7 hours since I left the house. Freezing cold. But anyway, if anyone's watched this to the end, fair play to you. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.